Hello student, today the topic is fossil seeded plant. Fossil seeded plant. Also the in short form seeded plant, two type of seeded plant, angiosperm and gymnosperm, but here especially we will continue gymnosperm. Gymnosperms. Fossil seeded plant means gymnosperms. Now you know very well the fossil. The study of fossil, you know, so many years ago, not 1 200, so many long years ago, anybody plant, branch, their flowers, pollen grains, animals, their organs, finger, hand, skull, anything, when covered by soil, and so many layers covered them one by one, and these layers, after long time, when the people dug out the soil and then organ or their print show on the earth, the different type of fossil. At this time, petrol, coke, also known as fossil in your language. Coal, petrol. Now we will start the timing of fossil gymnosperms. Means the gymnosperms, what is the time of the origin of gymnosperms? That is the Paleozoic era. PALAE, Paleozoic era. In this time, and the period of Permian. Permian period is the Paleozoic era. At that time, the gymnosperm born. Now, this time is something 27 crores years ago. 27 crore years ago. Now, at that time, at the time of beginning of Paleozoic till now, so many plants. Here we will discuss about only plant, not animal, but just for your knowledge, so many plant, so many animals, also people go down lower form of the earth and sediment arranged by one. So many sedimentary system born, and after the dug out them, otherwise whole plant, otherwise their organ in completely form or in fossil form found. Print also available in the organs, animals, plant in printed form on the stone, soil, different type of then we can say fossil. Now so many plant and animals at this time found in fossil form. We will just study about fossil form. Nobody can say at this time what is the fossil. What is the fossil? So just a definition is very small. The organ of plant and animals push out into the earth, and after long time they will appear by digging, by naturally the forming of them, print form or coal form, known as fossil. So these are the fossil. Here in this chapter the writer take example fossil plant, that is the name example of fossil plant, that is Williamsonia. That is, this plant is also asked in your exam, not detailed but outer character and structure. I will just describe the in this same topic the fossil. For example, in this lesson, only one, Williamsonia. The author take this option Williamsonia and discuss about the Williamsonia. This is found in Mesozoic era. Mesozoic era. Here we say Paleozoic era. Mostly gymnosperm found in the fossil form. Now Williamsonia found a living condition, and now just now it is only found in fossil form. Williamsonia now in only fossil form, not in living form, only on fossil form. This is the Williamsonia. This is also an example only fossil. Next example of the fossil, different type, also already in living form and also in fossil form. That is just here you will see. Number one is Cycadiodales. Williamsonia also in Cycadio. Number one is Cycadiodales order, and this Cycadiodales also known as, you can understand, question may be asked for Cycadiodales, or also they can say the Venititales. Otherwise either Cycadiodales or Venititales, both of the same condition found in your book. So these are in this some plant are in living condition and some is in fossil condition. All over world, the presence of these plant in all over world. What the just here you will study something fossil plant and about living plant. In India, the fossil mostly found in Odisha and Bihar. Note down this point. Fossil mostly these plants, gymnosperms, found in Odisha and Bihar, none other than. So, next condition is the front of our student human beings. What is the character of fossil plant that we can define to front of other person? So take something a special point of the fossil plant, that is here. Just now write the special point of number 1. What is the special character, or who is means the plants which is in fossil form. What is the character of that plant in this time? Something important character given by some scientist, that is number 1, stem are cylindrical. Number 1, first point, these are the structure. Stem are the cylindrical, something in form. Number 1. And second one, this is the first point of the fossil plant which is found on Paleozoic era. So number 1 is the stem are the cylindrical, and second one is slowly growing plant. The plants, these are the slowly growing because they have so the xerophytic conditions. And next one is the fossil plant, these only these branched plant, not single trunk, but it is branched. And next one is leaf of William, a special plant. Here we will describe the leaf of Williamsoniella, not Williamsonia, Williamsoniella. The leaf of the plant is simple. Number 1 is simple, and number 2 is linear in Williamsoniella. This is the special character, and most important character in this plant. In exam, only 1 number question ask. The term is syndactylic. Here is the stomata. Stomata in this plant is syndactylic. What is the syndactylic condition? All of you know very well the term stomata. Means why stomata? In every plant, gaseous exchange take place in atmosphere, and mostly 2 type of cells. Number 1 is guard cells found in stomata. It is turgid form, when transpiration take place, and flaccid form then mostly in night condition. At that time no transpiration found. So the term is syndactylic. Syndactylic means the guard cell and some other cell born by a single mother cell. This is the point. When two cells or more than two different types cells when born a special one single mother cell, that is called syndactylic stoma, such as guard cell, that is the guard cell, and here is the subsidiary cell. These are guard cell and these are the subsidiary cell. Both are formed from a single mother cell. That is why the stomata is known as syndactylic stomata. And next one is pith is present. Next character is that the pith is present. Pith, you know very well. If anybody asks what is the location of pith, you can say in them plant pith is present. This is the special character, pith is present. And next one, or also we can say last one, is vascular bundle. The type of vascular bundle we will be taught in last class. So the vascular bundle now already given here. You know, three words which is I taught you: conjoint, collateral and open, or conjoint, collateral, closed. I taught you with diagram in last class. This is the cambium. If cambium present, that the vascular bundle is open. Here lower side xylem and upper side is phloem. When xylem and phloem found together, this is the condition conjoint, and xylem in lower side and phloem in upper side. This condition is known as collateral, conjoint, collateral. And when cambium is found, then the vascular bundle is called open. Otherwise, when the cambium is the cambium absent from here, then the vascular bundle is known as closed vascular bundle. So here conjoint, collateral and endarch type of vascular bundle found. This is the special character of this fossil plant. Now we will start the classification. We will start just the classification of so many plants given by botanists time to time. This is the classification. Firstly, you will write the phylum. At the stage of where you are stand, this is not compulsory heads. Only you can sketch a line what serial number you should be know. Phylum, kingdom, order, genus, species. Last step of the classification is species. Here phylum gymnosperm, because today we will study, also we can say studied about the only on fossil gymnosperm. So the classification given by scientists here only on gymnosperms. Then class, phylum, class. Just I taught you two type of class, Psychodiodales, also Venititales. Now here the class only one, means Psychedopsida. This is the class. Opsida is determine the class, and next one is order. Phylum, class, and order. Order, here it is two type, Psychodiodales or Venititales. The ales is indicate to the order. Just see here, Psychodiodales. This one, ales, is referred to order. Opsida is referred to the class. For every time, always. Psychodiodales also, here second name is Venititales. Which just before I taught you order, Psychodiodales or Venititales, and family is Williamsoniaceae. This AC word is signal to family, and species you already know, Williamsonia. This is the plant name. Also we can see the species, that is Williamsonia. So now we can teach about the special character of Williamsonia. Here in this chapter, the author take or writer take only one example for the understand to the student, that is the Williamsonia. This is the classification in beginning, and next one is the special character. Mostly here I will describe three character which is found in Williamsonia, and Williamsonia is not found the complete in nature. Wherever the leaves of Williamsonia found, different scientists, root will be found by something other scientist. So at the Congress of Botanists, scientists take the leaf, they not know that is Williamsonia. So in fossil plant, different part of a single plant have different name, but now the scientist or botanist try to the different organ, when we know these are the same plant, so one name is given. In this Williamsonia, this is also reconstructed plant, not found in complete condition. So three character just you study here. Number 1, column type trunk. Column type trunk of the plant. In हिंदी खम्भ, पिलर, खम्भ टाइप के जो प्लांट बॉडी होती है उसको कॉलमर ट्रंक, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉलमर ट्रंक. एंड सेकेंड वन इज flower borne on lateral short branch. Branch also present, and mostly flower, you can already say reproductive organ is found on lateral side branch, which is found on stem. On them the flowers are born. And one thing is always same, unisexual flowers are found. If male, then 100% male, and female, then 100% female. Not in bisexual condition, always found in unisexual condition. In India, mostly only 10 species of Williamsonia found. Only 10 species, which is in also fossil condition. But now here describe the point, 3 species out of 10 is in male condition and 7 in female condition of Williamsonia. You know, the 10 species of Williamsonia found in India, out of them 10, 3 male and 7 female plant found. Next one is external structure of Williamsonia. Here I will talk to you about the external structure of Williamsonia. Just look, this is some minute before I taught you the common structure of trunk. So this is the outer structure of Williamsonia, column trunk. Here is the lateral branch, means the lateral branch bears flower. For reproduction, this is fertile shoot. Because why this shoot is called fertile? Because here is the reproductive organ, that is flower, is found. This is the lateral branch. These are the lateral branch, and here this is the stem, and here this is the leaf scar all over plant. Leaf scar found all over the plant leaf square and upper portion have so many long. This is the leaf, such as here. These are the leaf found on the top of plant. This is the structure of Williamsonia. Here the newborn leaf and columnar type structure found. It is the Williamsonia stem. Now some special knowledge. Here just 70 genus and 70 genus of gymnosperm and 725, something 725 to 761 species. These are the gymnosperm found. Only 700 gymnosperms, 725 species found in world of gymno. This is the special character. Now, in this chapter, I taught you about the introduction, general character and classification of Williamsonia. Next topic we start next year, next class, no year, next class tomorrow. Thank you. Carry on.